Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to fix temporary banned GB WhatsApp problem. Before starting this video, please subscribe to my channel for getting notifications of my all upcoming this sort of technical videos. First of all, open Chrome browser on your mobile and type an website name GB WhatsApp. Now you will see a website gbapps.net. Tap on it and scroll down in this website. When you keep on scrolling down, you will see a option download GBWA latest version. Tap on it. Now again scroll down. Here you will see two options. Number one, download GB WhatsApp APK, download GB WhatsApp Pro Server 2. So you have to tap on download GB WhatsApp APK. Tap on it and tap on download anyway. Wait for a few seconds to download this application. When downloading completed, tap on this downloaded file and open this file. Now your WhatsApp will be opened and your issue of the temporary banned GB WhatsApp will be solved. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.